Hello children. Children, as you know that we had completed our book number 1. So today we are going to start our book number 2 in English. Okay? So here I am going to teach you English subject. So please take out your book number 2, and in book number 2 you need to open your first page. Here you have to mention your name, class and section. Okay, now let's move. So students, as you can see over here the given content is given over here: English, number work, general awareness, stories and rhymes, activities. So let's start with English. So this is the content of English subject. Here some topics are given over here. Recap of strokes. As you know that you have done all the pre-writing strokes in book number 1. Recap of letter A. Letter A is also done in book number 1. Letters B to F. Recap B to F. Sight words and action word. So students, these things we are going to learn in book number 2. Okay. So please open the page number 2 over here. This is the page number 2. Students, here you have to mention today's date and classwork. Fine. Students, here as you know that we are going to do the recap, trace and color. Here this is the picture of a hut. Okay. So many pre-writing strokes are given over here. With the help of pre-writing strokes, this hut is made. Okay. So let's start tracing. After tracing, we will color it. But while tracing, you have to name the strokes. Fine. Parents, you also please encourage your child. Whatever the strokes they are tracing, they have to name them. So let's start. So students, which stroke is this? Which stroke I am making? I am tracing forward slant line. Which line is this? Forward slant line. Now next, come from here to downwards. This is backward slant line. Okay. Now it's a sleeping line. Fine. And these are upward open curves. Which curves are these, students? Upward open curve. Speak with me, students. Upward open curve. Because they all are opens towards upward. Speak and write which curve ma'am is making. Ma'am is making upward open curve. You all please speak and write upward open curve. Students, you have to speak and write, and you know the name of each and every pre-writing stroke. Okay? What's the name of this stroke? Upward open curve. Speak with me, students. Upward open curve. Speak upward open curve. See these curves ma'am has traced. Now let's start. Which stroke is this? Up, down, up, down, up, down. This is a zigzag line. Which line is this? It's a zigzag line. Speak everyone. Which line ma'am is making? Ma'am is making a zigzag line. Okay. See, zigzag line is done. Now let's make a sleeping line. This is a sleeping line. Now this is also a sleeping line. This is also a sleeping line. And this is a standing line. Which line? standing line. Okay. These are also sleeping line, sleeping line, standing line, standing line, standing line, standing line, sleeping line, sleeping line. See students, as I am speaking, in the same way you have to speak and write. Okay. Standing line. Now this outer one is also a standing line. Which line? Standing line. And this one, this is also a standing line. Which line is this? Standing line. Now let's close it. And this is a sleeping line. See students, in the same way you have to do it slowly, slowly. Okay. This one is also a sleeping line. And this is your standing line. Standing line. Now these are curves, but these curves are downward open curves because these are open towards downward. So these are downward open curves. Which curves are these? Downward open curves. Speak everyone. Downward open curve. See, I have done the tracing of page number 2. Fine. Now I am going to color it and I will show you after coloring. Fine. You can color by your own choice. Okay. Now see students, in this way you have to do the coloring after tracing the pre-writing strokes. Okay. Or it's not necessary that you have to choose these colors. You can choose the colors by your own. Okay. Now come on the page number 3. On page number 3, here we have to do the recap. Write the letters capital A and small a. We have to write capital A and small a as well. So as you know that how to write capital A and small a. So let's start writing in this box. Firstly we are going to start writing capital A. For that we are making one forward slant line. Then one backward slant line. And a sleeping line in between. This is a capital A. And small a, one right open curve, then one standing line. Okay, this is a small a and this is a capital A. Now after completing this, you have to tick the small a and circle the capital A. So students, as you all know what is capital A and which is small a. Okay, so we have to check on small a and circle capital A. So is this capital or small? It's a capital. So we are going to circle it. Is this capital? No, it's small. So we will take it. Is this capital? Yes. So we will circle it. Is this capital A? Yes. So we will circle it. Is this capital A? No, it's a small. So we will take it. Is this capital A? No, it's a small a. So we will take it. Is this capital A? Yes. So we will circle it. Is this a capital A? No, it's a small a. So we will take it. Is this a capital A? No, it's a small a. So we will check it. Is this a capital A? Yes. So we will circle it. Is this a capital A? Yes. So we will circle it. And in the same way you have to complete the page number 2 and 3. Fine.